Hi guys, how are you doing? Today I will read the song Hall of Fame. Okay, let's go. You can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on the chest. You can be the world, you can be the world. You can talk to God, go banging on his door. You can tell the angel, you can be the clock. You can move mountains, you can break rocks, you can be a master. Don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself, and you can find yourself standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. Cause you burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you be on the workshop, the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with your smile. You can be a hero, you can get the glow, breaking on the records that thought never could be broke. You do it for the people, do it for the pride. How are you ever gonna know if you don't never even try? Do it for the country, do it for the name, cause there's gonna be a day. Be champion, be champion, be champion, be champion. On your workshop, the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, be believers, be leaders, be counselors, be champions, be job seekers. Thank you for listening.